Hi techies, are you fascinated to working with AWS? This video I'm going to show you create a IAM user. So our task is how to create a IAM user and the name is IAM user underscore Christie. So in order to perform this task, you need to access AWS console. So already I have logged in my AWS console. For that I'm opening my Chrome browser and I'm logging in my AWS console. Click on that. Once you log in your AWS console, you can able to find out the dashboard and multiple service. Okay, then come to search for, you just type it name as IAM, you can able to find out. Okay, so the name is IAM. So IAM Identity Access Management. Once you click here, it will take you through for the page of IAM, and you can see the access management. Under the access management, there are multiple menus over here. Under the menu, so you can able to find out IAM user. So once you select the IAM user, so under the IAM user, you can find the create users. Select on create user and the username which we need to provide IAM user underscore Christie. You just copy this name, come to here and paste it and select the next and next, then create a user. So now you can able to find out the IAM under the IAM user. So the name is IAM user underscore Christie. So and after 5 minutes or 1 minute, you can able to see the status over here, and you can refresh it now. So now we are successfully created a IAM user. So this is what we need to create a IAM user in AWS console. In future case, in your organization, you are the administrator of AWS console. So somebody newly joining for your team members, you want to bring your management console access. So you come to here. In order to bring them to access, you need to create a IAM user. That's what the purpose of the IAM user. So I hope I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.